Episode 4 of Saving Nature with Rachel. Here we see that same unicorn. Now remember, unicorns are an endangered species, and with all endangered species, we should be careful and be loving to these unicorns. Hold on, I'm gonna fall. I'm good. And see, wait, I'm gonna tame this unicorn. As I decapitate its corn! Hey! Horn! That's what I meant! And I take this and So remember, everyone, be caring to endangered species. Now get rid of the murder weapon. And we see the unicorn dying. Next time, I don't know what we're gonna talk about. Bye!